What's good, everybody? My name is Cameron Esters, also known as Middle 1998, and welcome back to XCOM Enemy Unknown. And last time you saw me, we had a whole string of failures. Like I failed like 3 operations that I barely succeeded in. But thankfully enough, there was a one council mission that I managed to successfully complete. Thank the Lord, barely completed. So I think now what we're gonna do is let me expand the events. Alright, 2 days until they finish their interrogation on the Thin Man. 10 days until we get a satellite uplink finally. And 16 days until my council report, so let me go ahead to the situation room. Yeah, the whole just about the entire world was going into panic. So let me go back. Let me go to the barracks. Let me go to the barracks. Be my soldiers. Got 11 out of 13. Right. So far, 2 of my squaddies are wounded. So, with that being said, let's go to mission control. And let's scan for activity. Yeah, they finished. Okay, that's cool.
So, how'd it go, Doctor?
Better than expected. Before the creature expired, I was able to extract some new information from it.
You're
Right.
saying that thing spoke to you?
Not precisely, but when you have access to a creature's brain, certain patterns can be discerned, recent images and thoughts.
That is interesting.
What exactly was our late friend thinking about?
This particular image appeared in the creature's thought patterns several times throughout the procedure.
We've already met that thing, Doctor. This is hardly the kind of breakthrough we were...
And there was a neural link in the creature's mind between this image and this one.
That's the thing that pulled a disappearing act when we shot down our first UFO. And let me guess, you want to poke around in its head too.
It is the next piece of the puzzle.
I mean, who wouldn't?
And this time, instead of shooting it, I suggest we try to capture it alive.
Man, capturing things is a lot more difficult than I remember. Alright, UFO technology research credit earned. Okay. So let's see here. Alright, what I'm gonna do is UFO power source. Alright.
We should be focused on capturing this strange alien creature, the one that seemed to form around the crystal we discovered when we shot down the first UFO. It's all we have to go on at the moment.
Alright, fine. I'll see what I can do. Let's check what's going on in engineering.
There's always a leader, a general, someone giving the orders.
Okay.
Aliens can be no different. The real question is, what sort of power or authority does it take to control such a vast range of alien species?
Now that is a good question.
What incentive do they have to follow through with this plan?
Yeah, you bring up a pretty good point, Dr. Shan. So let's see here. So far, I don't think I have. Oh, I do have some credits. Okay, but so far I would like the Carpus though. I need 13. I need more alloys. That's what I need. I could get another satellite. That's probably what I need. So I'll probably get another. Dang, bro, in 20 days. Christ. I'll take 2 more. Alright. Submit order. Shoot. Okay. Wow, that took a lot. I wasn't even looking. Alright. Alright. Now let's go to mission control. Scan for activity. Oh, okay. Good for us. Ooh, an Illyrium generator. I have a feeling I'm probably going to be needing that soon. So we go back. All right, Living Power Junior supply plus 30 power adjacency bonus plus 2 power for every adjacent power facility. All right. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna be needing that. And here's Illyrium. All right. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Go to mission control. Scan for activity.
Contact.
Oh, well you know. All right, here we go. I'm gonna send one. All right, these are my new squads. All right. So we got Rookie Guzman, Rookie Balo, Squatty Vandermeer, Squatty Moreno, whichever, and Rookie Durand. All right. I'm gonna give like 2 of you on the far left. I'm gonna give them arc thrower. You arc thrower.
And you. No.
I need-
I give you.
I don't have flamethrowers. So I'll just give you make it. Call it good. And from there, I think we are good. Let's launch this mission.
We have visual on the mission site.
Let's
Setting
begin
down.
this assault.
Get ready to deploy. Our AO is within the continental United States.
So,
Reports indicate the UFO set down in a sparsely populated area. We need to stay sharp and eliminate the invaders.
all right. Are you done? All right. All right. It's time for us to commence Operation Blind Vengeance. Our mission objectives is to locate and neutralize all enemy forces. Locate and gain entry to the UFO. You guys ready? Let's get it on. Oh wait, it's nighttime? The picture showed it was daytime. What is this bull mess? Well, whatever, fine. Alright. Alright, go, go, go! Alright. Okay, we're in the dead of night.
I
Alright. Go right here.
Sky. This was a landing, not a crash, so expect heavy resistance.
Okay, that makes sense. Because I was wondering why I didn't need a ranger, because a sky ranger, because they haven't landed yet. It's just we're here as possible land site. So let me get them all in position.
Double time. Time to move.
Let's do this.
Alright. Oh, no, wrong button. Okay.
Let's do this.
On my way.
Wait, what the heck? Alright. Where to put this guy? I can put her right here.
Confirmed. Closing on target position now. Already
Her
there.
up here. Man, again, I can't stress enough how it's like I'm playing chess. It really does feel like I'm playing chess. And I love chess. So, maybe right here.
10-4.
Oh. We're supposed to be going this way? Okay, I guess that makes sense. Let me just turn this sideways or whatever. Because apparently I'm going the wrong way. I think. I can't tell.
Heading there now.
Not so.
There's something out there.
Alright.
Already there. Moving out.
Alright. I want to try to find spaces with as much cover as I can possibly give them. Because
That's what I need to do. I need to start now.
what's the word? Being cautious of where I place my soldiers.
That's affirmative.
Alright, so Lalo, I'll have you. Really, I don't want to put all of them out in the open too much though.
With what we've seen so far, it was only natural to assume the aliens would have something specialized towards frontline combat. This hulking creature appears to be that unit.
I don't envy anyone who is to go up against that thing.
Oh, shit, I had a feeling. I'm like, who are y'all talking about? And here comes the mutons. God dang it. At least there's 3 of them. I wonder if I can try to capture one.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Alright, so here we go. So I need to bring them all somewhat over here.
Roger, Dodger.
I need to bring him to better cover. I think this will do.
Roger that.
Yeah.
Got it. Moving.
Alright.
Find some new cover.
Damn it.
What the mess? Bro.
This some bullshit.
Oh my good lord. This is all mess. Oh, they're not dead, but still this is bullshit. Can't believe this. And there's only like 3 of them. Yo. How is this freaking possible? Oh my god.
Hostiles spotted.
Bro, and floaters? Oh my god. This is just boobas. Straight up. I'm seriously on normal mode too. Oh my god. Alright, let me see what I can do. This is gonna be straight trash. Straight trash. I am so upset. All my heavy hitters are gone, practically gone. Let me see. Alright. I'm just gonna be on Overwatch. Where can I be?
Roger. Tracking.
Let me see. I'll just hunker down.
I'm pinned down here.
Yeah, I can see. Oh shoot! How do these people just disappear? He was right in front of me the entire time. Oh my lord. Christ. Where can I be?
Roger, tracking.
Alright guys, I'm back. My thing had cut off again. My apologies, but while I was away I had accidentally tried to put the pause menu right, and I had accidentally put the freaking skip my turn button. And I ended up getting rookie brand over here killed. Because this mutant over here threw a grenade. So that was a bonus. So I'm literally between rock and dice. My best bet is I'm just gonna frickin' hunker down. Of course! That sucks so bad.
Target's still up.
I probably need to move, but I probably won't
Get the chance.
to. Yep, dead.
Central, we've lost him. Squad is down. We're pulling out.
Copy that.
Obviously. Well, we failed Operation Blind Vengeance, guys. That's the thing with Vengeance, you never go in blind. Ah, Jesus. If only I knew they were over there. I think we would have been screwed either way. I probably need to get more squad members. Dang. That's probably what I need to do.
We'll have to redouble our efforts. We cannot let this happen.
Try not to. Alright.
Let's keep going.
So let's go back. Frickin'.
Central, we've lost him. Squad is down. We're pulling out.
Copy that.
Obviously. The satellite uplink is up, guys. Look at this. Finally, we can probably get some coverage everywhere. Alright. Let me see here. Darn. I will probably need to make another arc thrower, though. That's probably good enough. Alright. So... Wait, let me go to the situation. Hold up. No, stop. There.
Dr. Vollin's interrogation technique certainly is efficient. You'd never know it by looking at her, but that woman is an alien's worst nightmare.
Hey, no doubt about it, Central. No doubt about it. Wait. Dang it. Come on, stop that. Alright, first things first, I'll probably launch one here in Canada.
Satellite launched.
There we go. Yeah, there we... Yeah. Alright, there we go. Let's do it. Alright. Ah, darn, that's it. Man, that means I gotta wait. Alright, so... 3 out of 4 in orbit. So I think 4 is the max that I can have. Argentina fell out. Poor Argentina, dang. Didn't mean to do that to him. Alright. That's a shame. I just hope I can get to everyone else before it's too late. Scan for activity. Ah, Illyrium. Alright, manufacturing this element is beyond our capabilities. We will only be able to use whatever we recover from alien craft and alien bases. Okay. So now I'll just go for these. That'll be fine. Still got 8 out of 8 soldiers left. That's not good. Wait. Ugh. Darn it, and all my best soldiers are freaking dead. Oh my gosh. Fine.
Satellite coverage now available over. Incoming transmission.
Okay.
Hello, Commander. Much to our regret, a number of council members have recently withdrawn their support.
Right.
Excellent work, Commander. This council is pleased to see our continued support of this project has been worthwhile. We
Okay.
hope that your current successes only mark the beginning of an enduring effort to eliminate the extraterrestrial threat.
I'm trying, sir. I really am. Alright, so I got plus 505 in credits, I think. Plus 4 sciences and plus 4 engineers. And, alright, so. Yeah, everything is kind of just going downhill for me. So they say frickin' France withdrew. And who else? Nigeria. Nigeria withdrew as well. So that's 3 countries that have withdrawn from the project. That's a shame.
Remember, we will be watching.
Oh, don't I know it? Question from India. Sure. Alright. That's done. Alright, we got lasers on board.
I appreciate your efforts to support the research team, Commander. I've already put the new recruits to work in the lab.
Of course. You do that. Let's see,
The new
engineering.
engineers arrived this morning, Commander. We're always glad to have more help down here.
Great. Good to hear. So I can't make this stuff just yet. I need more alloys. And the only way I'm ever gonna get more alloys is if I can actually beat these dang things. Alright, I guess I can. Don't even know. Alright.
Commander, our satellite is prepped and standing by for launch. We are ready to deploy it on your orders.
Alright, we're gonna deploy it now. The situation room. Alright, so who else? Stop. Nigeria fell off. So, I guess
We just go with Brazil.
over here.
got some vets on our side. It takes a serious pair to go face to face with one of those things.
I guess I'll just go with Russia, seeing this. Good old Russia.
Satellite uplink facilities at maximum capacity. Additional uplink required.
So I think I need another uplink.
Contact detected.
Alright, Raven 2, you're up. Alright.
Enemy is padlocked.
Oh, shoot. Alright. Good on you. Alright. Send Sky Ranger. Alright, here's our new team.
We got some rookie.
Candidate over here.
Rookie sniper
Here.
over
Here. Rookie. Alright. So I think we're all good to go. Let's launch this mission.
Strike one. Prepare for landing.
Alright, let's do it.
Get ready to deploy. Our AO is within the continental United States.
Alright.
It looks like the aliens went down in a sparsely populated area. If there are civilians in the area, I hope they stay clear.
This looks like a straight force, my guy, but whatever. Start commence Operation Hot Rain. Our mission objectives are to locate the crashed UFO, sweep the area of surviving crew and neutralize them, and avoid additional damage to the craft if possible. Some components may be recoverable. Okay, let's do it. Man, look at this.
This is
Ooh.
Big Sky. We're just north of the crash site. Strike one is in position to engage.
Loud and clear, Big Sky. We'll monitor those readings from here. Strike one is authorized to assault the alien craft.
And which way is the alien craft? I want to be like last time and go the wrong way. But I can't see shiz in the dark.
Moving to position.
Alright.
Ten-4.
Got it. Moving.
Alright. So, I got them there. And I want to have, let's see here. I guess I'll have them right there. You, I'll have maybe over here.
Moving out.
I'll call that good. I can hear them, no doubt. Please let them be this way.
On the move. On the move.
Confirmed. Closing on target position now.
Alright. What I'm gonna try to do is that I'm gonna try to do like a flank position. Try to flank these suckers. Wherever they are.
Moving to designated position.
sure as heck hope this UFO is this way. Alright. So.
On the move.
Alright. Ah, yeah, I see it. Right over here. Here's an entrance. Holy
Affirmative, moving out. Enemies in
We
sight.
should make every
There we are.
attempt to capture one of those creatures using the arc
Yes,
thrower.
that's the one I need to capture
There
too.
doesn't seem to be much left when we attack outright.
darn, where's him? Yeah, this.
Roger that.
Alright. This could be it. You need to get up here. Yeah, right here. Alright, not call that good. Ah, floaters! Please just let those be the only ones. Shoot! No, he's panicking! And you're panicking! At least they hunkered down, at least. Thank the God. Alright. I need you to be in like a better position, my guy. Things are looking good for you from right there. I'll probably have you go back.
Moving out.
Run away. Here they come. Let them come to us, at the very least. Dead. Of course. Of course. I need to get in close to get it. Alright, that's good. There we go, that's one. Alright.
Rolling out.
Let's see what this guy's gonna do. He's on Overwatch. So I can't get him just yet.
Watch the flank.
Shoot. That was a bad idea. Very bad idea. So far, I still think I can do this.
Got it. Moving.
Wait, are you telling me I can't move her now? It's a bonus.
Aye, aye, Commander.
Good.
Analyzing this new artifact as soon as you return.
Ah, my defenses are too poor. Now I need to get them to move. As close as they can.
Time to motor.
You. I need you just to fall back here.
Let's do this. Rolling out.
Alright. I think I might be able to get this. I'll wait for the alien to move his turn, make his turn. He's trying to fall. He's trying to fall back.
I'm all right.
Good. But so far, we need to keep moving.
Already there. Look sharp. Enemies rolling up.
Ah, mutons! God dang it! This is not gonna be looking good for me.
They're moving to flank me.
Shoot. Alright, I need you to probably make a power move. You got low health as it is.
Roger, Dodger.
Alright, I'm back. As you can tell, Operation Hot Rain was a failure. Unfortunately. So, there's that. Because apparently I was right directly in front of the muton. 61% chance of me hitting the target. I still ended up missing, even though I swear to God I hit his face. It was straight bull mess. Ah, Christ. This is frustrating, man. Again, I am on normal mode. I should not be having this hard of a time. Like, my strategies must be really faulty. Christ. Like, everything I'm trying to do is just... It just sucks.
I was so close.
So close.
To winning.
But the mutants had to come into the picture.
Best equipment available. But I guess it just wasn't enough.
I don't know. I don't know, man. This sort of message just gets me like, bruh. What do I need to do? Let's check here. Those are done.
Commander, we have multiple reports of new abductions in progress. The locations are marked on the hologlobe.
Just these three. Alright. I'll just give you an arc reactor. Launch my team. Pray for the best. 3-man team.
Prepare for deployment, Strike One.
We'll be deploying to Russia for this one. We've picked
Alright.
up a local broadcast indicating alien activity within a major metropolitan area. We should get down there and eliminate any hostiles.
Sure thing. Alright guys, time to commence Operation Banished Scepter. Our mission objectives is to sweep the abduction site and identify threats, and neutralize all hostile targets. Three-man team. It's just as bad with my 2-man team with Operation Skybreaker.
Central, this is Big Sky. Strike team is touching down now. Standing by for your orders.
Roger, Big Sky. Reading you 5 by 5. Strike One has the green light for deployment.
And again, mutons. More mutons! What in the world? Oh my god. I sure as heck hope that these are the only guys here.
On the move. They're trying to flank us. Whoa!
No.
They're on the move. Got one man.
Wow. I swear to God, just fighting these guys are impossible. Oh my god. And a grenade! Are they serious? Get this, I'm getting him as the last thing I freaking do.
Will do.
Be completely useless, but whatever.
Subduing target.
What?
Is not disabled.
Oh my god. Wait, hold up, stop. Come on, man.
Suck on this.
Well, there goes all my team.
Soldier down.
Dead.
They got me flanked.
He got you dead.
Incoming fire.
Well, it's time for you to abort. Alright guys, well, Operation Banished Scepter was a failure, no doubt. Obviously knew that was going to happen. But unfortunately enough... Right. Right.
We will be in touch, Commander.
Yeah, we sure will, huh? This is not looking good at all. It really is not. That's 3 missions I failed in a row, and again, I almost came out on top. It's just that I need better gear. Good Christ. And I probably need better strategy, but I'm not sure what I can do. What all can I do? I swear to God, I'm playing this on normal, yet every time, it's like I'm playing on expert, though. I'm like, what is this mess? But nonetheless, I think I'll just have to call it there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself seeing me fail and get everyone killed. But the next time I'll probably have, I don't know, something worked up, cooked up, something. Something will be different. I promise. Something will be different. I will figure this out. But nonetheless,